Hello everyone, today I'll show you a really clever setting for YouTube, the app you use to watch videos. If it's really slow or if you want YouTube to run much faster than before, you'll also be constantly saving your internet, mobile data and the battery life to come down. This setting will be especially useful for those who don't have unlimited internet. Secondly, it'll be very useful for those whose YouTube videos aren't playing well. That is, if your videos are freezing, if they're taking a long time to load, or if your internet is slow, then this setting is just for you. Because by default, many settings are enabled that put a significant strain on your internet. This maybe be performing poorly. I'll tell you everything and show you now. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So watch this, we'll be talking specifically about the YouTube app. When you go there, you see some videos, some short, and wherever you pause, for example, on this video, you can notice that video starts automatically. Look, I paused. Look, the next video will do. And it starts too. So no matter where you scroll, absolutely any video start automatically and naturally. Here it is. It has already started playing even before you clicked on the image. This means that your YouTube is simply automatically loading absolutely any video you come across mobile. And of course, imagine the load on your internet and if you have a budget smartphone with, let's say, a not very good processor, little RAM, and your internet is bad, then all this can put a huge load on your entire Android system. And not just Android, it doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. And your videos can take a very long time to load, so if you're having trouble with videos loading slowly, first of all, adjust this setting. Even if everything is fine with YouTube, even if you have unlimited internet, I still recommend adjusting this setting to speed up you. Should open to several times. By the way, I've shown in other videos how to watch YouTube without a VPN. You can also try adjusting this setting to optimize everything. So let's start by making it clear where we're going. Here's our YouTube app. Go to the YouTube app itself. Next, click on your avatar in the bottom right. And click on the gear here. Next, we have General Settings. Here's the very top line. Click on General. And now look, scroll down here and find the setting called Play in Feeds. Play videos on YouTube pages. Click here. And it will be active by default. If you've never been here before or done anything, it will be enabled. We, on the contrary, will need to disable it. So we've disabled it. Okay, now let's check. Let's go back. We're watching the same videos. Look, man, let's check something else. Look, nothing loads. So YouTube isn't wasting its resources loading every single video. You scroll yeah. So why would you waste your internet connection and generally put a strain on your smartphone so that YouTube slows down because it's constantly loading? But in this format, look, you just scroll and see a preview image and decency it for yourself with click on the video on download. So you browse by the video title, and if you like something, you just click it, and then does the video itself load. But once you've decided to watch it,